How's it going? Today I want to talk about this portable car lift. Now these are portable scissor lifts. They are very heavy duty. They're able to lift 5,000 pounds up to 7,000 pounds depending on which model you get. I've got the 5,000 pound one because I have a lighter car here. Now the way this is assembled is the first thing you need to do is put the handles on the back end of the scissor lift as well as the wheels on the front. You can pretty much dolly these around. The next thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have this one piece attached into the frame of the portable lift. That's going to be where you put the hose for your hydraulic fluid. When you get those bolted down, it's an easy, quick connect, so very simple to get these attached. The device does not come with hydraulic oil, so you have to get your own hydraulic oil and you need to fill it up. It says to go to the halfway point. I went a little bit high on mine, and then whenever you get that all assembled, you have a couple different size blocks. I have the smaller blocks because my car is low to the ground, but if you have a taller vehicle, they do have extender blocks that you can twist to make it even higher. Once it's plugged in and you have the fluid in there, you're going to be able to lift up the car. So there's an up and down. The one facing the cords is going to be your up button, and then all you have to do is press and hold. Whenever you start lifting the car, you do want to double check before you get too high just to make sure you are in a correct position, because the last thing you want to do is make sure that you are not stable. Now this also has locks in it, so once you get it lifted to a certain spot, there's a piece that goes down and it's actually going to lock this scissor lift in place. That's exactly where you want to be. If you feel like your blocks aren't in the correct place, all you have to do is press the down arrow button and then it's going to bring the lift back down. You can see how quickly it goes down because it has the weight of the car, and then you can reposition your blocks if they weren't exactly where you wanted them to be. Now that I've ensured that the blocks are in the correct spot, I'm going to go for the full lift and lock the scissor lift in place. This portable car lift is a game changer. If you have to do any work underneath your car, it's so much easier when you have so much space to go under. This is a very safe tool, very easy to set up, and very easy to use.